Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In April of 2020, the Yuba police pulled over Greg Gross and placed him under arrest for an alleged DUI and slow-speed minor accident.
Oh God.
Yeah, kind of a bad day. Come on.
Okay.
What are you doing, dude?
Sit down on the ground, and I'll bring a car.
I didn't do nothing.
After failing to move quickly enough for Yuba City police officers Joshua Jackson, a field training officer, and Scott Hansen, Gregory is taken to the ground. The officers use pain compliance, but it appears to serve as more of a punishment instead of as a means to control an elderly suspect.
Mr. Gross, listen to me.
Quit with me.
I'm not with you.
Yeah, you are.
I'm telling you the way this is gonna go. Would you like to shut your mouth and listen?
You are not in control of this situation.
You are under arrest for hit and run and DUI. You're about to get placed into a patrol car. I was going to walk you over there, but you decided you didn't want to go with the program. So now you're sitting here like a 3-year-old.
Ow, that hurts.
Okay?
I was
So,
walking.
listen. And it will continue to hurt if you don't shut up and listen.
Eventually, the officers bring Greg to the hospital for a blood draw, and as Officer Hansen's back is turned, Officer Jackson takes Gregory back to the ground.
No, not at all.
I asked which way we going. You signed me up against the car.
Here, no, grab him. I gotta put gloves on.
Kill Democrat.
And we've done it again. You gonna keep doing this?
I can't breathe.
Are we gonna keep doing this?
Can't breathe.
You're talking, you're breathing.
You're talking, you can breathe.
Though not captured on video, the takedown fractured Gregory's neck, paralyzing him. The officers then exacerbate the injuries by continuously moving him without any concern for his condition.
Okay, let's stand up. Stand up.
Put on your big boy pants. You want to act like a man.
Okay, yeah, please. Let me up, please. Yeah.
Stand up.
Stand up. Come on, you're a man. Be a man.
I can't feel my leg.
You can feel your legs.
Eventually, they move Gregory into a wheelchair.
I can't feel my legs, dude. I'm sorry. I can't feel my legs. They're gone. They're gone. I can't feel my legs.
Come on. Don't forget your pasta box.
As Greg is wheeled into the hospital, Officer Jackson tells someone that he was assisted to the ground, as though it was amusing to him.
We did a little 5 minutes. Where'd you go? Janelle.
He was assisted to the ground.
He and the cop are putting us abreast already.
No.
Greg is asked to sit up. However, unable to do so, he is pushed into a seated position without support or immobilizing devices to protect his neck from further damage.
Do we want to just grab his arms and flop him up on the bed and then we can...
That just doesn't go more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, here you go. Oh.
Yeah.
All right, sit up. We're gonna move those cuffs around. Come on, sit up for me, Mr. Gross. Sit up for me.
Once his handcuffs are removed, Officer Jackson falsifies what happened when explaining it to the doctor.
Yeah, it might be some temporary for me landing on him, but
I think it's fine, but
when I took him, I had him in an arm bar, and so I swept his feet and tried to get him to land on his knees, and then so I was on top of him, but his knees hit.
so he didn't like just
No, I didn't like just plank him out. No, that would be wrong.
right. Yes. Even if he's frustrating.
Yeah. No, I tried to get him on the ground so that we could then just double pick him up and just drag him in.
Yeah, I mean,
But he pulled away, so I.
playing awesome here.
Yeah.
You guys slammed the ground 3 times.
I only slammed you on the ground one time, sir, and it was very controlled.
You need to listen to me. I can't not feel myself. I can't breathe my legs.
Despite his pleas for help, Gregory is ignored by the officers and hospital staff alike.
I have some veterans. I can't really talk, and you know. You gotta help me, please.
Oh no, Eddie.
I can't move my legs, please help me. Please help me, God. Please help me. I can't move my legs. I can't move my legs.
It appears the doctor knew something serious was a possibility, as a CT scan was ordered, but in the face of Gregory's visible injuries, specific complaints, and apparent inability to sit up, he is again moved without a cervical collar or spine board.
I'm going to explain something to you. We have to take your handcuffs off in order to put you on this bed. Okay, I'm going to take them off.
I can't move, man.
Here, I'll take this off right now.
Right, dude. I felt so right.
Okay.
Got that handcuff on my left hand so tight I can't stand it.
Okay. Relax your arm.
Dude, I'm a good guy. Don't do this to me, please.
Okay. Relax. Relax your
I
arm.
love my wife and kids.
Well, we can slide them straight across if that works for you. Then we can use the white sheet to go back, right?
That's so like. Oh my God.
All right.
All right, we're gonna slide you off.
I'm so
Mr. Gross, listen to me. Listen. We're gonna slide. We're going to slide you over onto this.
I love my kid. I miss them.
As a result of Officer Jackson's, quote, very controlled slam of the 64-year-old veteran, Gregory suffered devastating injuries, which required multiple invasive surgeries. His legs and hands are paralyzed, and he will require lifelong 24/7 care.
And I can't do anything. My hands don't work.
Greg's attorney eventually filed multiple lawsuits against the city of Yuba. All officers involved, Rideout Memorial Hospital, UC Davis Medical Center, and the medical staff. Years later, in July of 2023, a settlement was reached in the amount of $20 million. $17 million will be paid by the city of Yuba, and the remaining $3 million is to be split between the officers, though it is likely that they are covered by indemnification. As of February 2021, Officer Jackson is no longer employed by the city of Yuba, but it appears that Officers Hansen and Livingston continue their employment with the department. The $20 million settlement ensures Greg's 24/7 care for the rest of his life, but at what cost? While Officer Livingston has his fair share of blame in this case for standing by and not intervening in a clear case of excessive force. And while Gregory and us are fortunate that the body cam footage obtained by Greg's lawyer was not deleted or misplaced, it is imperative that if you witness the police mistreating a fellow citizen, that you record it. Some departments still don't have cameras, and had this happened in a place where it was not caught on film, there is no doubt that this could have led to an even worse conclusion. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.